Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to make our Earth Day earrings. These earrings are made using the Swarovski Crystal beads with a TierraCast earth charm, and it's a super quick and easy design to wear for Earth Day or any time during the year. To make these earrings, you're going to need two 6mm Erinite Swarovski Crystal Rondelle beads, two of these 8mm Denim Blue Swarovski Crystal Rondelle beads, two 21mm Pewter Earth Charms by TierraCast in antique gold, and then two 22-gauge gold-plated brass 2-inch eye pins, and then a pair of 11mm gold base metal French ear wires with a 1.5mm ball end. You'll also need round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutters. You can find all of the product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so to make these Earth Day earrings, you first want to take your eye pin and you just want to take your chain nose pliers and open that loop up, and then take your charm and just attach that to the loop. You may need to open it up a little bit more to fit the charm. Slide that on there, and take your chain nose and just close that loop back up. Okay, so now after you have your charm attached, you want to take your 8mm bead and then the 6mm bead and add those to the eye pin. And then from here, you want to create a 90-degree bend in your wire. So just use your chain nose pliers. Bend your wire. And then cut about 3/8 of an inch. And then take your round nose pliers and grasp that wire at the end, and then just rotate and turn a loop. Just like that. Okay, so now you just want to take your ear wire and then just open up using chain nose pliers, open up the loop and slide the loop you made at the top of the eye pin on there and close it back up. And there you have it. Now you just want to repeat that for the other earring, and you have a quick and easy pair of earrings to rock this Earth Day or any time of year. You can find all of the tools and materials for these Earth Day earrings at fusionbeads.com.